Hello to Polio24. Today I have something very special for you. I discovered this new Red Star chronograph at my watch trip to Shenzhen in China just last week, and this is a very special design masterpiece. This design originally was invented by the French watchmaker Meisterstück of Sarcelles 1970. And now Red Star produces this unique chronograph with the name Retro 1970. It is available with white, champagne and bronze dial, stainless steel case, and it has the famous Seagull column wheel movement. This is the new decorated movement. You can see the chronograph wheel turning. And I also visited Seagull in Tianjin last week in order to see how these watch movements are made. So this is the bronze case, bronze dial. This is the white dial, comes with a black strap. And this is the champagne version. So this is a very unusual shape and unusual design, but it's nice to have something on the wrist which is special and unusual. So I'm sure this is a true eye-catcher.